if you want to move data from USB flash drive to Realme GT 8 Pro or the other way around, then once you connect your USB flash drive, we're gonna go to the My Files app. So here we have the app that we can use in order to manage files. Of course, this is our file manager. And let's say we want to transfer something from the phone to the USB flash drive. Then in that case, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and try to find whatever you want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna go to documents in here, and let's say we're gonna select these two items, these two files, I mean, and we need to tap on move at the bottom. Then of course we need to choose our USB flash drive, and then we need to decide where these files should be placed. So let's say I'm gonna choose documents in here, this folder I mean, and I'm gonna choose to move here. And there we go. Once it is transferred, it is done. As you can see, you can still find these documents in this place. You can open in here or something in order to, take a look at them. If you are looking specifically for files just that you have on the storage of your phone, then you can go to all files in here and you can find them in this place. And now if we want to transfer something from the flash drive to the from the flash drive to the phone storage, then of course you can open, for example, the OTG folder, go to documents, let's say in this case, of course, to transfer files again. I mean, in my case, it's documents because I just put it over there. And of course, now we need to choose all files because all files is the internal storage. And then we need to choose where we want to transfer that, and we can move here in this place. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.